Hello everybody, welcome back to Chuzgapa Engineering, and we're back with another video on 2D sketching with Creo Parametric. In this video we're gonna sketch a hook based on this technical drawing that you can see over here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can make use of different line commands, circles, arcs. Before we move on with the video, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel as well, which helps me a lot, and it helps support the channel as well. And if you've got any feedback or any recommendations regarding the channel or the videos, you can drop it in the comment section below. So yeah, without any further ado, we're gonna delete this basically, and we're gonna start afresh. So I'm gonna turn the plane on. Perfect. So yeah, as always, when you first start the Creo Parametric, the first thing you're gonna see is these three planes, which are the sketching planes for our drawings or sketches. So over here you can see their names as well, right, top and front. So whenever you click any of the planes, it gets highlighted over here. So yeah, we're gonna choose the front plane, or I would say the top plane, and then we're gonna click on this button which says sketch to enter the sketching mode. So now you can see this is our plane, but we need to see it perpendicularly, like normal. We want to view it normal to the plane, so we're gonna click this button which is sketch view, and it's gonna help us have a normal view of the plane. So now we've got the plane in normal view. We can hide it by clicking over here and unchecking this plane display command option. Wait a second, let me just highlight this. I'll highlight the mouse button so it's clearer to see. A little smaller. Perfect. Okay, now it's clear to see. Yeah, so first thing over here, as you can notice, is these circles. So what we're gonna do is in Creo, we're gonna choose this point as the origin, and we're gonna reference pretty much everything else from this point. Or what we can do is we can also take this point as origin as well, which is gonna be easier, I think. So yeah, we're gonna choose this point as the origin, and we're gonna create all the entities. First thing you can notice over here is that these two arcs over here and this one, so this has a radius of 45 units or millimeters. So since this drawing doesn't have any mention of the units, like which unit is being used in this, we're gonna assume that it's millimeters. So this is 45 millimeters, this is 90 millimeters, and what we can do is we can create two circles with this circle, with the inner circle center at the origin, and the outer ones a bit offset in the horizontal with a spacing of 22 millimeters. So we can do it over here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the circle command and create a circle over here, and the another one a bit offset to the origin over here as well, a bit bigger than the original one. I'm going to press escape to exit the circle command. Now you can notice that I cannot see any dimensions. It's because the dimensions have been turned off. So click over here and check this dimensions display option, so to view the dimensions. So coming back to the drawing, we can see the inner circles arcs for a radius is 45 and the outer is 90. So I'm gonna change so over here you can see that it has a diameter dimension. So if I left click it once and then click this button which says radius to change it to 45, and the outer one, same thing with the outer one, change it to radius and make it 90. Yeah, so now what you can see is the dimensions have been changed, But what I can do is I can drag them, and then the dimension can dynamically change because it's not fully constrained. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the dimension radial dimension back to 90, and then I'm going to left click it once and press this lock command, which just says toggle lock, to lock this dimension so that it cannot be changed any further. So it's fully constrained now. Same thing with this. Press this and its dimension cannot be changed. But what you can notice is that it's still moving in the horizontal. It's because we need to give it this dimension 22, and then we're going to lock this dimension as well. 22, perfect. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make these two concentric circles, which is going to be 178 millimeter in y direction, vertically up. And then the inner circle has a radius, diameter of 45. You can see this symbol, which means diameter. And the outer one has a diameter of 90. So then select the circle, make two circles, concentrics, and then the inner's diameter is 45. I'm gonna lock this up. Oops, sorry. Change it back to diameter, lock it. The outer one's 90, and then lock this one as well. And then this vertical dimension. This is 178 millimeters above the origin. So we're gonna change that as well, 178. Now what we can see is that this line is tangentially joining this line and this arc as well. So we're gonna make a line which is joining this arc and coming down to join this arc tangentially as well. So now this point has been tangentially joined, but we need to make it tangent, this point tangent as well. So I'm going to select both of these, this line and the circle, by holding control, and I'm going to select this button which says tangent, so that it's going to make these two entities tangent. I'm going to select line once again to make this line segment. So it's going to start somewhere from here and then tangentially join this arc. Now you can see that it's asking for a angular dimension as well, but that we don't need that. I'm going to select both of these two, and then I will apply this parallel constraint, which is going to make this line parallel to this one. Now it's fully constrained over here. One thing you can notice is that this fillet of 32 millimeters, I can use this fillet command by clicking that and then holding selecting these two entities and then creating a fillet over here. The radius of the fillet is 32 millimeters. So I'm going to double click, change it back to 32, and then lock this. And then I can choose to delete this segment like that. Perfect. Sorry, my throat is a bit dry from all the recording. So yeah, so this bit is ready. What now we're gonna do is we're gonna make this what do you call it, edge of the hook. So you can see over here that we've got two circular arcs of radius 45, which are offset in horizontal, and then this bit has a circular arc of radius 8. So this is how we're gonna make these two. I'm gonna lock this one. Perfect. So I'm gonna choose the circle command, and then I'm gonna place the center of the circle on this horizontal axis, and then keep going until it's joining the outer circle tangentially. I'm gonna click yes. press escape, change the radius, change it to radius, and then make it 45.0. I think it was 45, right? I'm gonna have a quick look. Yep, 45, both of them. So same thing with the inner arc as well. I'm gonna offset it in the horizontal, and then keep going until it's tangent to this circle. Press escape, make this radius as 45 as well, not for 50, 45, and then lock this. Come on, perfect. So now what you can notice is this 8 millimeters arc, which will be made somewhere around here. So I'm gonna make this circle again once more, and I'm gonna place the center somewhere around here, and then keep going until it's tangent to one of these. There you go. And then I'm gonna make this and this tangent as well, and the radius is 8. Sorry, I'm gonna change it to radius first, and then make it 0. Perfect. I'm gonna lock this. Yeah. So now you can see the drawing is pretty much ready. Now we just need to, oops, sorry, it's my mouse. We just need to delete some segments over here. So I'm gonna click the delete segment command and delete all the stuff that we don't need, which is gonna be this, all of this stuff. Oops, sorry, not this one. Yep. Sorry, my mouse is a bit laggy right now. We're gonna delete this bit. Sorry, I'm gonna select the delete segment command again. Everything that we don't need. Yep, so I think that's all ready. So I'm gonna press escape to exit the delete segment command, and now you can see it's all a bit jumbled up with the dimensions. So I'm gonna go over here and uncheck the dimensions display so it removes the dimensions, and I'm gonna close it back, and our hook is ready, as you can see over here. So yep, this is basically how you create a sketch of the hook as shown in this drawing. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like the video on the channel. Consider subscribing to the channel as well. It helps me out greatly in putting out the videos, and if you've got any feedback, drop it in the comments and I will use it. So yeah, that's all for today, and I'll catch you in the next one.